Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this homemade vitamin C toner, which is a good source of antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals, which causes acne and also help to repair damaged skin. To make this vitamin C toner, I will be using the peel of an orange because the orange peel has a higher content of vitamin C than the orange itself. If you don't have fresh fruit, then you can also use dry orange peel powder. If you want to know how to make the peel powder, then I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. The vitamin C present in this toner will help to lighten hyperpigmentation. It will also reduce brown spots. It will inhibit melanin production for evening skin tone, and also it brightens your skin. It will reduce pimples. If you're suffering from acne, this will reduce inflammation and also smoothens your skin. So after separating the skin from the fruit, you need to cut it into small pieces. So you can also use a knife to cut it. I'm just tearing it here. I'm using the peel or the skin of this particular orange because it is more juicy, and as you squeeze you can see that the juice just comes out. So and it smells orangey, or it smells more citrus. So that is why I'll be using the skin or the peel of this particular orange. As you can see, I have two types of oranges. The bright orange color fruit is what I will miss using. I'm using the greenish one because it smells good. So as you finish cutting, the peel is ready to be made into toner. So I will be using the peel of one orange to make 100 ml of toner. So the method would be simple. I am using a double boiler method. As you can see, I have placed a pan where water is boiling. In that I have got a small plate so that I can keep the bowl. The bowl should touch the water, touch the hot water. So I'll be using 100 ml of distilled water, or you can also use boiled and cooled water for this toner. So I'll just pour the distilled water into the bowl, and I'll add the orange pieces which I just cut. While using double boiler method, you should always keep the flame low. Increasing the flame will not give you the desired results. As an additional benefit, I am using cinnamon, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which will help to fight against acne and skin blemishes. This can also increase blood flow to the skin. So after you have added cinnamon, you need to close the lid and let it simmer or cook or infuse for at least 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Covering the pan with the lid will help seal the smell or the aroma of the peel and the cinnamon into the toner, and this will make for a good toner. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you can see that the toner is ready and the color of the water or the distilled water is changed to light pale yellow color. So you need to remove off from the fire and then let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. After cooling this, you need to strain it using a strainer, or even you can use a muslin cloth to strain out the toner into a clean glass jar. Here I'm using a strainer to strain it into a clean glass jar before I transfer it into a container. So this vitamin C toner is ready, and as you can see, the 100 ml of water is reduced to half, and all the goodness of the peel and the cinnamon is in the toner. So this you can transfer it into a spray bottle, or you can also use a normal bottle and store this in the refrigerator for more than a month, or you can store it at room temperature for at least 1 week. So this toner can be used on all skin types, and this toner will help to reduce acne and close or unclog pores. To use this toner, you can directly spritz it on your face or use a cotton pad. Before applying, you need to cleanse your face, and before moisturizing, you need to apply this toner. This will help to remove extra or excess dirt or traces of oil and makeup, and this can also maintain the pH balance of your skin. So always make in small quantities, and this can be used daily. And if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.